how to make mayonnaise at home for wealthy snobs. Take 1 egg, but not just any egg. This must be from a Kenyan mountain hen, priced at a modest €100 per egg. Scald it with boiling water for precisely 10 seconds. Naturally, the water must be sourced exclusively from Lake St. Anne, costing a mere €80 per liter. Crack the egg into a narrow container made of rare Sichuan glass. Pour in freshly pressed oil from Saudi sunflowers. Of course, this oil must be fresh, which is why it was flown in this morning on my private jet. Be cautious, though don't overdo the oil. Unless you enjoy the humiliation of a €5,000 mayonnaise failure. The mustard, only the finest, freshly ground yesterday by hand by young women in Zaragoza using mustard seeds grown on the sacred slopes of Baroma Hill. A touch of Maggi seasoning. I admit, it's a bit pedestrian, but even I have my guilty pleasures. As for the vinegar, it must come from the most expensive wine in the world. Since I found that particular vintage undrinkable, I had it repurposed into vinegar exclusively for my use. Pepper, only Spanish pepper cultivated in gold-rich soil, where the minerals imbue it with an exquisite, opulent aroma. Finally, Himalayan salt knot, the ordinary kind, mind you, but the rare liquid form, painstakingly gathered by monks once every 10 years. Only 2 kilograms of this salt exist in the world, making it the ultimate seasoning to elevate your mayonnaise. Bon appétit if you can afford it. Now, listen carefully, because there's no room for error. Lower the platinum immersion. Blender straight to the bottom of the Sichuan glass container. All the way down, begin blending immediately, without hesitation. The base must be handled with precision, or you might as well throw the entire batch out. Once the mixture starts to thicken, then you can begin drizzling in the Saudi sunflower oil. Slowly, deliberately, in the finest stream imaginable. Don't even think about rushing this step. Too much oil at once, and the emulsion will split, wasting not just the ingredients, but your dignity. And wasting €5,000 mayonnaise? Unforgivable. This, of course, is not a task for the common household staff. Perfection demands expertise, which is why I enlisted one of the greatest culinary minds in the world. Chef Isabelle Dufort. Only a chef of her caliber has the skills necessary to create a mayonnaise worthy of such ingredients. Under her watchful eye, the blend comes together flawlessly. The texture turns irresistibly creamy. The color, a perfect shade of pale gold. Every step exudes elegance and precision. This is mayonnaise elevated to an art form, a culinary masterpiece that ordinary people could only dream of tasting. But let's be honest, they won't. This is a creation reserved for those of us who truly understand the finer things in life.